Have you ever wondered what would happen if a trophy truck and a daily driver had a baby? Well, meet the 2026 Ford Ranger Raptor, a wild beast that somehow fits in a grocery store parking lot. Because this is not just a pickup truck. It's a desert racer wearing a suit, a beast in business casual, a predator disguised as a commuter. And in 2026, it's back, bigger, badder, and smarter than ever. But wait, before you think this is just a downsized F-150 Raptor, let me stop. You right there? This thing has its own personality, its own soul. And trust me, it's not here to play nice. At first glance, the wide stance catches your eye. It's 150 millimeters wider than your regular Ranger, giving it that planted, aggressive presence. The flared wheel arches aren't just for show, they house chunky 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrains that look like they could bite through concrete. And up front, you've got the iconic Ford grille, bold, unapologetic, flanked by C-clamp matrix LED headlights that feel like the truck is staring straight into your soul. Skid plates, standard, dual exhaust, tuned to growl. And the color palette? Let's just say code orange isn't for the shy. But the real fireworks, they happen under the hood. Ford crammed a 3.0-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 in this mid-size monster, pushing out a jaw-dropping 405 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque. That's muscle car power in a truck that can leap dunes, mated to a 10-speed, automatic and backed by a full-time four-wheel drive system. This thing doesn't just go fast, it hunts terrain. There's an active exhaust with 4 modes, so you can sneak into your neighborhood at night, or unleash all hell on the trails. And with 7 drive modes, including Baja for high-speed desert runs and rock crawl for slow, precise climbs, it's like the Ranger Raptor has multiple personalities, all of them wild. Fox 2.5-inch live valve internal bypass shocks. Sounds fancy, right? What it means is this: the truck literally reads the terrain hundreds of times per second and adapts in real time. You could be blasting down a rocky trail at 60 mph and feel like you're riding a cloud. A very angry, very fast cloud. And that rear coil spring setup? It makes a world of difference in control, comfort, and articulation. In short, this truck isn't just built to survive off-road, it's built to dominate it. But don't think the Raptor's all brawn and no brains. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a cockpit. The 12.4-inch digital cluster is fully customizable, while the center 12-inch Sync 4A touchscreen puts everything at your fingertips. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, even off-road telemetry like pitch, roll, and steering angle. You want premium? How about suede-trimmed sport seats, magnesium paddle shifters, and ambient lighting that sets the mood for adventure? And tech? It's loaded. 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, wireless charging, you name it. The 2026 Ranger Raptor gives you the tools to go far, and the tech to bring you back safely. But here's what really sets it apart: attitude. The Ranger Raptor isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It says, I don't care about city traffic, I'm thinking about river crossings, sand dunes, and switchback trails. It's the truck for people who want more power, more capability, more reasons to go off the grid. And in a world full of boring crossovers and soulless SUVs, the Ranger Raptor is a rebel. A reminder that vehicles can still be thrilling, that driving can still be fun. So the question is, are you ready to tame the beast? If the idea of flying over whoops at 70 mph, crawling up boulders with ease, and turning heads at the local gas station sounds like your kind of fun, the 2026 Ranger Raptor is calling your name, and trust me, it doesn't whisper, it growls. If you enjoyed this ride, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below. What do you think of the new Ranger Raptor? And if you love trucks that roar, not purr, hit that subscribe button and join the pack. Because this is just the beginning.